Welcome to our journey into the world of real estate investing, where the potential for building wealth is both exciting and attainable. Did you know that an astonishing 90% of millionaires have made their fortune through real estate? Today, we're going to explore how you can join their ranks. For young investors, understanding financial literacy is crucial, and there's no better time than now to start learning. Real estate isn't just about owning property. It's a strategic pathway to long-term wealth accumulation. Real estate has consistently been one of the most reliable and profitable investment avenues available. This segment will guide you through the foundational concepts, setting the stage for deeper dives into strategies and success stories. Whether you're just beginning to explore investment opportunities or seeking to expand your portfolio, understanding the basics of real estate investing is your first step toward financial empowerment. Our goal is to inspire and educate you, equipping you with the insights necessary to make informed decisions. So if you've ever wondered how to harness the potential of real estate for wealth building, stay tuned. We're about to unlock the secrets that have propelled countless individuals to financial success. And remember, every great journey starts with a single step. Yours begins here. Next up, we'll delve into overcoming common barriers that new investors face. Let's debunk myths and set a strong foundation for your real estate adventure. Many aspiring real estate investors believe that a hefty bank account is the only ticket to success. But that's just a myth. The real barriers often lie in our minds: fears, doubts, and a lack of knowledge. Imagine the possibilities if you could push past these hurdles. People often think real estate is reserved for the wealthy or those with insider knowledge. But the truth is, anyone can start with the right mindset and tools. Consider barriers like limited capital and understanding of the market. These are common, but not insurmountable. Overcoming them starts with learning and taking calculated steps. Educating yourself is crucial. Know the market, understand financing, and don't be afraid to ask questions. It's essential to conquer fear and doubt. They're natural but shouldn't hold you back. Real estate is a journey of growth and learning, not an instant leap to riches. Ready to debunk the myths and tackle these challenges? Stay tuned as we explore how real estate can be your path to wealth. In today's financial landscape, real estate emerges as a beacon of opportunity, a solution that promises stability and growth. Imagine not just owning property, but strategically building wealth through it. Real estate isn't merely about transactions, it's a calculated path to financial prosperity. For young investors in the USA, it offers a tangible and profitable choice, standing firm against the volatile tides of other markets. The appeal of real estate lies in its dual nature of stability and profitability. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate provides a physical asset that tends to appreciate over time. It becomes a steady source of income through rentals or resale at a higher value, thus securing your financial future. Moreover, the long-term benefits of property investment are substantial. As you build equity, you're not just increasing your wealth, but also creating a legacy. Properties can serve as a foundation for future endeavors, offering opportunities for reinvestment or expansion. This strategic approach to investing is more than just a financial decision. It's a commitment to your future self. By venturing into real estate, you're not just buying property, you're securing a piece of your financial independence. As we explore further, we will unveil the strategies that can transform your real estate aspirations into reality. From identifying lucrative opportunities to mastering market trends, the journey ahead is as exciting as it is rewarding. Let's delve deeper into how you can leverage these strategies for success in our next segment. From rentals to flipping, let's dive into strategies that can make you rich. First, consider rental properties. They offer a steady income stream and long-term appreciation. Look for areas with growing job markets and good schools, as these factors can boost property value. Next, explore house flipping, where you buy, renovate, and sell properties for a profit. Timing is key here, so pay attention to market trends and the local economy. Assessing property value is crucial. Start by comparing similar properties in the area, known as comps. Keep an eye on market indicators like interest rates and neighborhood development plans. These insights help forecast potential value shifts. Financing is another essential aspect, whether you're using a mortgage or private funding. Budgeting for investments means planning for both expected and unforeseen expenses. Real estate is a dynamic field, and these strategies are just the beginning. With the right approach, you can turn potential into profit. Meet Sarah, a young visionary who saw beyond the ordinary. With just a modest savings account and a big dream, she ventured into the world of real estate. Her first property, a small, overlooked house that many passed by without a second glance. Through sheer determination and smart renovations, Sarah transformed it into a sought-after rental, setting the stage for her burgeoning empire. But Sarah's story is just one of many. Across the country, young investors are finding unique paths to success in real estate. From flipping houses in suburban neighborhoods to leasing commercial spaces in bustling cities, these stories showcase the transformative power of real estate investments. They prove that with the right strategy and mindset, anyone can achieve remarkable success. As we continue, let's delve deeper into the financial literacy that fuels these achievements and explore how you can start your journey today. The next segment will provide essential tools to enhance your financial knowledge and skills. Financial literacy is your foundation in the realm of real estate investing. It acts as the bedrock upon which successful investment strategies are built. By understanding financial concepts, young investors can make informed decisions that maximize their returns. It's not just about buying properties, it's about knowing how money works and how to make it work for you. To enhance your financial literacy, explore resources like online courses, books, and financial podcasts. These tools can expand your knowledge and equip you with the skills needed to navigate the real estate market with confidence. Remember, continuous learning is key. The market is ever evolving, and staying informed keeps you ahead of the curve. So embrace financial literacy as a lifelong journey. It's not just a skill, it's a mindset that empowers you to seize opportunities and overcome challenges. As you enrich your understanding, you'll find that real estate investing isn't a gamble, but a calculated path to wealth. Next, we'll explore actionable steps to kickstart your real estate journey. Are you ready to embark on your real estate journey? Let's dive into the first steps that will set you on the path to success. Start by educating yourself about the basics of real estate investing. Books, online courses, and workshops are great resources to begin with. Next, set realistic goals. Consider what you want to achieve and establish a timeline for reaching those milestones. Whether it's purchasing your first rental property or flipping a house, clear goals will guide your progress. Networking is crucial in the real estate world. Connect with other investors, attend local meetups, and join online forums. Engaging with experienced professionals can provide invaluable insights and advice. Remember, mentorship can be a game changer. Find a mentor who can guide you through the complexities of real estate investing and offer support when challenges arise. Don't forget to assess your financial situation and explore different financing options. Understanding your budget and knowing how to leverage financing tools can make all the difference. Finally, stay committed to continuous learning. The real estate market is dynamic, and staying informed about the latest trends and opportunities. Now, with these steps in mind, you're equipped to take action and begin your journey into real estate investing. Embrace the opportunities that lie ahead and start building your wealth today. In our next segment, we'll wrap up with a motivational conclusion. Stay tuned. As we draw to a close, let's reflect on the incredible opportunities that real estate investing offers. It's not just about buying property, it's about building a secure and prosperous future. Real estate has the potential to create wealth, offering a path to financial independence that is accessible to all. Imagine having assets that grow in value over time, providing a steady income stream and a legacy for generations to come. Today, we've explored strategies, debunked myths, and shared stories of success. Now it's your turn. Take that first step towards your real estate journey. The road to wealth is paved with real estate, and your adventure starts today. Embrace the challenge, educate yourself, and seize the opportunity. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. So why wait? Start now and let real estate be your guide to a brighter financial future. Thank you for joining us on this journey. and we wish you all the best as you embark on your path to success. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share the video with friends, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Take care. Get rich.